Hi, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discussing about the NCERT, the matrices exercise 3.2 problems. The problem number 6 in yesterday class, completing problem number up to 5. Today we are going to discussing about problem number 6. Sixth one question here. Simplify. Cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into the given matrix. Given matrix here sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Right? Here simplify here. Then two matrices are given here. Then here cos theta and one matrix is given here. Then we have to using the scalar multiplication. Then cos theta we have to multiply each element of the given matrix here, right? The first matrix. Then we have to multiply inside here. Cos theta into cos theta, what happens here? Cos square theta. Next, cos theta into sin theta. Next, plus into minus what here? Minus cos theta into sin theta. Next, cos theta into cos theta, what happens here? Cos square theta. Next, plus we have to multiply inside the elements. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Next, the plus into minus what here? Minus sin theta into cos theta. Next, sin theta into cos theta. Next, sin theta into sin theta what here? Sin square theta. Right? There are two matrices here. These two matrices order must be same here. Then in between what is the sign here? Addition here. Then how to add two matrices here? We have to add the corresponding elements of the two matrices. Right? Then cos square theta plus into plus what here? Plus the corresponding element is what here? Sin square theta. Next one, cos theta into sin theta, whose corresponding element is what here? Plus into minus, minus sin theta cos theta. Right? Next, minus cos theta plus sin theta. Next, but here corresponding element plus cos theta into sin theta. Next, plus sin theta into cos theta. Right? Next, cos square theta, whose corresponding element is what here? Sin square theta here. Cos square theta plus into plus what here? Plus sin square theta. Right? Here in the trigonometry, in cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to what here? 1. Right? Therefore, cos square theta plus sin square theta, it is equal to what here? 1. Right? Here, right, cos square theta plus sin square theta, in case of you have to write here 1. Here cos theta into sin theta minus sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta is same as what here? Cos theta into sin theta. Both meaning is same here, right? Here cos theta sin theta minus cos theta, both are get cancels, right? Then the remaining is what here? 0. Next, here minus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta, get cancels, 0. Right? Then cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to what here? 1. Right? Then 1 0 0 1, it is a 2 cross 2 matrix here. It is a square matrix. Right? Then it is called the what here? Unit matrix. The principal diagonal elements are 1 and non-diagonal elements are what here? 0. This matrix is called the what here? Identity matrix. Right? Next one question. question. Seventh one. Find x and y. If x plus y is equal to 7 0, first row and second row 2 5, and x minus y is equal to 3 0 0, right? Here what is the question here? Find x and y. Here two matrices is given here. X plus y is equal to what here? It is 2 cross 2 matrix is given, and x minus y is equal to what here? 3 0 0 3, right? These two equations, right, we are using to find the value of x and y, right? Here first one equation, what is the equation here? First one, x plus y is equal to 7 0 2 4, right? This is the equation number 1. And next second equation is what here? X minus y is equal to 3 0 0, right? Right? In here x plus y and x minus y is there. Then this is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. Then subtracting 1 and 2, then automatically plus y and minus y get cancels here. Then we have to find out the value of what here? X value easily comes here, right? Then subtract 1 minus 2, right? Then we have to subtract LHS side separate and RHS side separate, subtract here, right? What is the first equation here? X plus y. Next, this one minus, another equation is what here? X minus y, right? Next one, it is equal to, then what is x plus y matrix here? 7 0 2 5, next minus 3 0 0 3, right? Subtracting equation 1 and 2, right? Here first equation is x plus y minus, and second equation is what here? X minus y. Then first matrix minus second matrix here, right? Then x plus y and minus into plus what here? Minus x, and minus into minus plus y, right? Is equal to, and how to subtract the two matrices here? Whose order must be same. We have to subtract the corresponding element. 7 minus 3, 0 minus 0, and 2 minus 0, and 5 minus 3, right? And plus x minus x get cancelled. Then y plus y, how much here? 2y, and 2y is equal to 7 minus 3, 4, 0, 2, 2, right? Then 2y is equal to this one, and y is equal to what? Then we have to divide the 2 here, right? Here the element is unit is present in the 1 here, right? Then y is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 0 2 2, right? We have to divide every element by the matrix. Y equal to 4 by 2, 0 by 2, and 2 by 2, 2 by 2, right? And y is equal to what here? 2 ones are 2 2 2, 0 divided by number 0, 2 by 2 is what? 1, 2 by 2 1, right? Then y value comes here. Then this y value you substitute in equation number 1 or maybe 2, right? Substitute y value in equation 1, right? The value x matrix we have to keep as it is here, plus what is the matrix y here? Y equal to what is the elements here? 2 0 1 1. It is equal to 7 0 2 right x. Here x is equal to then plus this matrix we have to move RHS side, then what happens here, minus sign comes. X is equal to 7025, then this matrix we have to move RHS side, minus 2011, then subtraction of the two matrices, right? We have to subtract the corresponding element. 7 minus 2, how much here? 5, 0 minus 0 is 0, 2 minus 1, how much here? 1, 5 minus 1, so x matrix, right? Next one. Next question. Find x. Find x if y equal to 3, 2, 1, 4 and 2x plus y it is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, right? Here asking from the question, find x if already your y matrix is given and 2x plus y is equal to 1, 0, 3, 2, right? Here 2 cross 2 order matrix is given here, right? What we have to find out here, find the matrix x, right? Here we have to take in this is equation number 1 and that one is equation number y is equal to what given here, 3, 2, 1, 4, right? This is equation number 1, right? Next 2x plus y it is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2, right? Then we have to find out the value of x. Then y matrix is already given here, right? In place of y we have to substitute this matrix here, right? Substitute, it is equation number 1. Substitute equation 1 in 2, right? Then the equation number here, 2x plus y it is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, right? Then in place of y we have to substitute what here, this matrix here, 2x plus what is the y matrix here, 3, 2, 1, 4. It is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, right? Then 2x is equal to, then this plus sign we have to move RHS side, then what happens here, then the sign converting into minus sign. 2x is equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2, and this matrix we have to move RHS side, then minus 3, 2, 1, right? Then 2x is equal to, then we have to subtract, right? The subtraction of the two matrices. We have to subtract the corresponding element. 1 minus 3, 0 minus 2, minus 3, minus into plus what here? Minus 1, 2 minus 4, right? Next one, 2x is equal to 2x is equal to here 1 minus 3, how much here? Minus 2, 0 minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus, both are minus sign, and then we have to add, right? Minus 3 minus 1, minus 4, 2 minus 4, minus 2, right? Then 2x is equal to this one, and x is equal to what here? Then this multiplication term we have to dividing every element of the matrix. Right? The multiplication term is converting into dividing term. Minus 2 divided by 2, minus 2 divided by 2, minus 4 divided by 2, minus 2 divided by x is equal to, right? 2 1s are 2 1. But here minus 1, 1. This is also minus 1. This one 2 1s are 2. This one minus 2, and this one minus the matrix x, right? Asking from the question, find the x, right? Here x is equal to, what are the elements in the matrix here? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. Next question. Next question, question number 9. Find x and y. Find x and y. If 2 into 1 3 0 x plus second matrix here y 0 1 2, it is equal to 5 6 1 8, right? In this ninth question, find x and y if the matrix is given here, right? 2 into this one matrix plus y 0 1 is equal to that one, right? Here the scalar multiplication of the matrices is given here, right? First we have to take this one matrix here, 2 into 1 3 0 x plus y 0 1 2 is equal to 5 6 1 8, right? Then scalar multiplication of the matrix, we have to multiply inside the matrix for every element. 2 into 1 2, 2 to 6, 2 to 0 0, 2 into x 2x plus y 0 1 2 is equal to 5 6 1 8, right? Next one, the two matrices in between, what is the sign here? Addition sign is there. Then addition of the two matrices, right? Then we have to add the corresponding element, right? 2 plus, what is the corresponding element of the second matrix here? Y. 2 plus y. And next one, 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0 how much here? 6 plus 0. Next 0 plus 1. Next 2x plus 2. It is equal to 5 6 1 8, right? Here these two matrices are the what here? Equal matrices here, right? Because these two matrices order must be same here, right? Then these two matrices are equal matrices whose corresponding elements are also equal, right? Then 2 plus y, it is equal to corresponding element of the second matrix what here? 1 5, right? First equation we have to take here 2 plus y, it is equal to corresponding element 5, and next 6, it is equal to 6, it is not necessary here, right? 1, it is equal to 1 here. Next another equation is what here? 2x plus 2, it is equal to 8, right? And first we have to take value 2 plus y is equal to 5. What is the value of y? Then plus 2 we have to move that side, then minus 2. Then 5 minus 2, y is equal to what here? 3. Next another equation is what here? 2x plus 2, it is equal to 8. Then these two terms in between what here? Plus sign is there, then plus term we are converting into the minus term. 2x is equal to 8 and plus 2, then you RHS side, then what happens here? Minus 2. 2x is equal to 8 minus 2 how much here? 6. Then in between what is the sign here? Multiplication term is converting into the dividing term. X is equal to 6 by 2 on the x is equal to right? What is the value of x and y here? X value is 3 and y value is also 3. Next question number 10. Solve the equation for x, y, z and t if 2 into x, z, y, t plus 3 into 1 minus 1 0 2, it is equal to 3 into 3 3 5 4 6, right? Here solve the equation for what here? X, y, z and t, right? If the matrix is given, right? Here 2 into this one matrix, right? We have to multiply inside the every one element of the matrix here, right? Then first we are using a scalar multiplication of the matrix here. Then we have to multiply first inside the elements here. 2 into x, 2x, plus 2 into z, 2z, 2 into y, 2y, 2 into t, what here? 2, right? Plus and scalar multiplication. We have to multiply inside the matrix for every one element. 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 1, minus 3, 3 into 0, 0, 3 to the 6. It is equal to, this is also scalar multiplication. 3 3 is the 9, right? Next, 3 5 is the 15, 3 4 is the 12, 3 6 is the 8, right? Here, the two matrices in between, what is the sign here? Addition sign, right? The addition of the two matrices. We have to add the corresponding elements. 2x plus, is the corresponding element of the second matrix here. 2x plus 3. Next, 2z plus into minus what here? Minus 3. Next, 2y next, plus 0. 2t plus 6 is equal to 9, 15, 12, 8, right? Here these two matrices are what here? Equal matrices, because two matrices order must be same. This is also order 2 cross 2 matrix and this one also 2 cross 2 matrix, right? When the two matrices are equal, whose corresponding elements are also equal, right? Then the first matrix 2x plus 3, it is equal to whose corresponding element of the second matrix is what here? 9. Then in the question solve the equation for what here? X, y, z, right? Then 2x plus 3 is equal to, first equation is what here? 9 is equal to 9, right? We have to find out the x. 2x plus 3 is equal to 9. Then 2x is equal to what happens here? And plus 3 we have to move that side, what happens here? Minus 9. Then 9 minus 2x is equal to 9 minus 3, how much here? 6. Then multiplication term converting into the dividing term. X is equal to 6 by 2 ones are 2 3. X is equal to what here? 3. So x value comes here. Next, how to find out the value of what here? Y. Then 2y is equal to what here? 12. Right? 2y plus 0 is nothing but what here? 2y. 2y is equal to 12. Y is equal to what? In multiplication term, we are converting into the dividing term. 12 divided by 2 ones are 2 6. Y is equal to 6. Right? Next one. Z. 2z minus 3 of the first matrix, whose corresponding elements is what here? 15. 2z minus 3, it is equal to 50, right? And 2z is equal to, then minus 3 we have to move that side, what happens here, plus 3, 15 plus 3. 2z is equal to what here, 18. Z is equal to how much here, z is equal to 18 divided by 2, right? 2 ones are 2, 9. Z is equal to 9. And last one equation is what here, t. 2t plus 6 is equal to 18. 2t plus 6 is equal to 18. 2t is equal to what? 2t is equal to plus 6, we have to move that side, 18 minus 6. 2t is equal to 18 minus 6, how much here? 12. T is equal to, the multiplication term converting into the divider. 12 divided by 2 ones are 2, 6. T is equal to 6. Right? Then the equations for x, y, z. X value is what here? 3 and y value 6 and z value 9 and t value is what here? 6.